Let's start our day with some golden earring. This is a preDCS soundboard. Came to me, it's actually out of a Getaway. And I will put the Getaway ROMs back in it, but you can see I've got my Twilight Zone ROMs in there now because I'm most familiar with Twilight Zone sounds. On this board, and it never hurts to replace these 47 microfarad caps. There are 5 of them. You can see them, they're in the dark blue. And then this input 5-volt power 100 microfarad cap also. I also replaced this 22 microfarad cap right there. That one is in the amp section. Sometimes it fails with sometimes catastrophic results. The main problem with this board, besides the cap, is, and somebody had already figured it out, is they installed a remote volume control right here. And that was because the X9C05, do I have that right? 9C30, I can't read all of it, but that's a digital pot, and it had failed. So, without further ado,
Twilight Zone. It's not yours. Too hot to handle. Breakthrough. More. Don't touch the door. Going my way.
so those are all the sounds in Twilight Zone, and those sound as good as you're ever going to hear coming out of a Twilight Zone preDCS soundboard. I forgot if I mentioned it at the start of this video, but I did replace those two 4700 microfarad snap caps on there cleanly. And those filter the power that's coming into the board. So this board should be good to go for quite some time. And I thank you, sir, for sending it. Take care.